Okay, so now that polls are enabled in our course, let's generate one. So to set up a poll, we'll just click on the polls link in the course news and events module, and that'll take us into the quick poll editor. And right now there are no questions, so let's add a new one by clicking the add question link. And the first thing we'll do is add a question. So each poll is only good for one question at a time. So we'll just add our first question here. Please choose a time that is convenient for you to take the exam. So now that we have our question posted, we could add in our choices. So let's just say Monday 9 through 10, or Monday 11 through 12. Maybe we'll do Wednesday 9 to 10, and Wednesday 11 to 12. And I had typed these all in previously, so that's why my web browser remembers that they're there in these drop downs. So now compact mode basically means that each choice will be presented horizontally across the screen for the students. If you want them to appear vertically, you just uncheck compact mode. And we'll have to give it a list type. So radial buttons means that they can only select one of these 4 choices at a time. Checkboxes means that they could select many of these choices. Drop-down list means that it will just appear as one drop down, and when they click on the drop down they'll see all 4 choices and they could select only one from there. And then you could also do lists that are non-interactive, like a bulleted list or a numbered list, and that can be like further instructions that you can have them type something out in a text box. So the text box, the label basically is instructions. So we could add instructions like, please describe any special considerations that you might have. And attributes is just basically a way that the text box will behave. So you can choose either a text box, which is what you see right here. It's a single text box, or a text area, which is a much larger space where students could type in additional information. And the attributes, we could say rows equals 10, where you could have a text box equal up to 10 rows if you wanted to. And so we can also add feedback, and feedback is a message that the students see upon completion of the test. And you can make it say thank you for participating in the poll or something else. But right now I'm going to show you something called the bar graph token. And so it's just the word bar graph that's encapsulated by these percentage signs, and that'll basically show the students the results of the poll after they submit it. And under advanced settings, we can present a start date and an end date that the poll will actually be available to the students. And so that's it. Once everything's filled out, we can click save. And here's the poll. We can go back in to edit it if we wanted to, or we can delete it. And then we'll just click exit poll editor so that we're done. And once we do that, it brings us out to the communicate tab. And the module here, the course news and events module, also happens to be available under communicate as well as course. So that's it for now, and in the next video I'll show you how a student would interact with the poll, and then after that I'll have another video that'll show you how to extrapolate results from the poll. Thanks.